Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the single-DIN car stereo radio install kit and connector combo. Designed specifically for Nissan vehicles, including the 1998 to 2004 Frontier and the 2000 to 2004 Xterra. This combo kit is aimed at those looking to upgrade their factory radio with a modern aftermarket option while keeping the installation process straightforward and clean. This kit comes in a sleek black color and includes both the radio mounting kit and the wire harness. It is purpose-built for the installation of single-DIN radios, allowing them to fit perfectly into the factory radio location without extensive modifications. For Frontier models from 1998 to 2001, it's important to note that an antenna adapter is required to maintain proper radio reception, and that steering wheel audio controls will not be compatible with this setup. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly. The radio kit ensures that your new stereo sits securely and flush within the dashboard, while the included wire harness simplifies the electrical connections. This eliminates the need for cutting wires or splicing connectors, which not only saves time but also reduces the risk of installation errors. The dimensions of the package are compact, making it easy to handle during the installation process. And the total weight is just under 13 ounces, so it's lightweight yet durable. Another notable aspect is the kit's compatibility. Beyond the Frontier and Xterra, the design is tailored to work seamlessly with these specific model years, ensuring a precise fit that integrates with the existing dashboard layout. The material and design also prioritize durability and stability, so the new stereo won't rattle or shift while driving, giving a professional look and feel to the installation. Overall, this single-DIN car stereo radio install kit and connector combo is a practical solution for Nissan owners wanting to upgrade their audio systems without the hassle of complicated installations. It combines quality materials, precise engineering, and an intuitive setup process to make your aftermarket stereo experience smooth and efficient. If you own a compatible Nissan Frontier or Xterra and want to enhance your car audio setup, this kit provides a reliable, factory-style solution that fits perfectly and functions reliably. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you're considering upgrading your car stereo, this kit is definitely worth a look. Stay tuned for more product insights and in-depth reviews.